I've been involved in the eye care business for almost 4 decades. And one of the things that has recently become quite prevalent is the patients really taking charge and taking ownership of their own care. It used to be that, geez, I'm sick, I'll go see the doc. Now you're doing research, you're online, you're looking for, the best practice, the best hospital, best physicians. And when the patients are doing that, they're really expressing an interest in, again, taking that ownership for their own care. Patients are really interested in basically not having to go to the offices, into the hospitals, into the clinics, and that really was a result of the pandemic, where telehealth became more prevalent so that the patients could communicate with their practitioners, via their Zoom calls, and that really has given rise, in my opinion, to a whole new type of product development where, again, the patient's taking charge of their healthcare and having those types of products that they can use at home. With that comes the connectivity of a device that they can use at home and communication with the practice through telehealth or through Bluetooth technology. And in the case of the ELM device by IDTech, that's exactly where this product fits. You can use it in the office and then ultimately take it home, take again that ownership of your own health care, and be treated on an ongoing basis and have that continuity of care. Patients that suffer from dry eye are extremely motivated to get some kind of a solution, which is why they can spend thousands of dollars on invasive procedures, or they could use expensive pharmaceuticals. Even over-the-counter eye drops are quite expensive. So there is quite an array of technologies that are available for dry eye. In fact, it's very crowded, and the patients oftentimes need to rely on their practitioner to say, based on what dry eye conditions you have, I am suggesting this for you, this type of a treatment. In the case of the ELM device, again, very unique in that you can actually use that technology in the office and then take the technology back home, and then you can put it on whatever regimen the physician has prescribed for you in terms of frequency of use. Most importantly, you're going to notice relatively quick response to, again, correct some of the issues you're having with dry eye. And dry eye sufferers are very, very motivated to take care of this problem. It's quite a chronic disease. You want it to be corrected. So one of the things I've noticed is in this industry of eye care is that dry eye is very, very prevalent, and not so many physicians choosing to treat it because the patients continue to come back. I need something else. It's not working, And so, again, it's not a kind of a disease that a lot of practices embrace in terms of ongoing treatment of those patients. So patients seek out those dry eye clinics where there's the expertise, there's a wide variety of technologies that are available so that they can get that kind of relief. Even when you think about cataract patients, it's now becoming more of a standard of care that for before cataract surgery, they want to treat the dry eye disease before they do the cataract procedure. And many practices are not set up to do that. And that's be it the ophthalmologist or the optometrist, or unless they have integrated practices where the optometrist is treating the dry eye. So again, very prevalent, huge opportunity for practices to start treating the dry eye, and an ELM device is highly unique in this space in that you do get this continuity of care from the treatment in the office to the at-home use. Dry eye disease used to be associated with patients that are more elderly and women. In fact, that's not true. Today, dry eye disease, in fact, moving down the age curve, and you're seeing patients, even these young kids that are doing gaming, contact lens patients who drop out because their eyes are dry, people that are using their devices, their computers, their iPads, excessive amount of time on computers is leading to a whole new population of dry eye patients that are right now looking for solutions.